Aircon working hard but not cooling. Low gas can force your aircon to work harder, consuming more energy. A gas top-up can help save energy and improve performance. Technician inspecting. Check refrigerant levels. Inspect for leaks. Analyze the cooling capacity. Gas top-up process. Top up the refrigerant gas to restore optimal cooling. Ensure the system pressure is balanced for energy-efficient operation. Check for any other performance issues after the gas top-up. Energy efficiency. After the gas top-up, your aircon will work more efficiently, cooling faster while consuming less electricity. Gas top-up benefits: improved cooling efficiency, energy savings, extended lifespan, prevention of compressor damage, consistent performance, enhanced air quality, reduced repair costs.